What if I told you that the same white powder sitting in your kitchen, yes, the one you use to freshen your fridge or clean your sink, could actually help restore blood flow to your penis? I'm serious. For thousands of men over 60, including many of my own patients, something as simple as baking soda has made a dramatic difference, not just in their circulation and erections, but in their confidence and energy as well. Hi, I'm Dr. Narita, and I've spent the past 12 years helping men over 60 reclaim their vitality, strength, and intimacy. I specialize in men's health, and I know firsthand that the best medicine isn't always found in a bottle. It might be sitting right on your kitchen shelf. Today, I'm going to share 10 science-backed ways baking soda can help older men regain their strength and confidence. And later, I'll reveal a special morning combination one of my patients used with amazing results. Before we dive in, if you're a man over 60 who cares about natural ways to stay energetic, confident, and healthy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. You won't want to miss more tips designed just for you. And if this topic speaks to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. I always want to know how to make this content truly helpful. Most men never hear this, but baking soda isn't just for cleaning or heartburn. Used correctly, it can support nitric oxide production, improve blood oxygen balance, rebalance your body's pH, and even help your testosterone work more effectively. All of these are critical for strong, lasting erections after 60. So let's begin with the first surprising benefit because it's something most men have never even considered. I've seen it countless times in my clinic. Men come in frustrated, tired, and embarrassed, struggling with energy, libido, or erections. Their labs may look fine, but their internal chemistry tells a different story. And often, a small natural change can make a huge difference. Now let's walk through the 10 benefits, each explained biologically, emotionally, and practically, so you can start seeing results in your own life. Benefit 1, balances blood pH to improve circulation. Here's something most men over 60 don't know. As we age, our bodies naturally become a little more acidic. Even a mild shift can tighten blood vessels, reduce circulation, and make erections harder to achieve. Think of it like watering a garden through a pinched hose. The flow just isn't there. Baking soda works as a gentle alkalizer, helping your blood vessels relax and improving fluidity. I remember Harold, 69, recently retired. He was frustrated, feeling less like himself. His blood work looked okay, but his pH was slightly acidic. I suggested a small morning routine with baking soda and water. 3 weeks later, he walked in smiling. "Doc, I feel awake again." My wife even noticed a difference. When your blood flows better, oxygen and nutrients reach the tissues that matter most. It may seem simple, but this foundation is crucial. Benefit 2, reduces inflammation in blood vessels. Inflammation is a silent thief. It doesn't make noise, but over time, it stiffens your blood vessels and blocks nitric oxide production, the signal that tells your penis to relax and fill with blood. Take Samuel, 71, strong and proud, but he told me, "Doc, it feels like my body is always working against me." His lab showed elevated inflammatory markers. We introduced a simple daily baking soda routine, and within a month, Samuel noticed more frequent erections and better energy. By calming inflammation, baking soda lets your vessels open naturally. No forcing, just support. Benefit 3, supports natural nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the spark for erections. Without it, your brain and desire can be ready, but your body won't respond. Baking soda helps by creating the right internal environment, less acidity, reduced oxidative stress, and protected endothelium, so your body can produce nitric oxide more effectively. Thomas, 66, healthy and active, tried this approach with baking soda and lemon water plus some breath work. A few weeks later, he said, "I'm waking up with something I haven't seen in years. My body finally responds naturally." Benefit 4, improves oxygen delivery to erectile tissue. Even if blood flows, oxygen is key. Red blood cells need to deliver oxygen efficiently to penile tissue. Aging, acidity, and inflammation can slow this down, leading to weaker or shorter erections. Richard, 72, a retired fire chief, began a morning routine with baking soda and water. Within weeks, he noticed improved sensation and warmth during intimacy. That's oxygen doing its job, energizing tissue and smooth muscles for lasting erections. Benefit 5, boosts mitochondrial energy in smooth muscle cells. Smooth muscle cells in your penis trap and hold blood during an erection. Their energy comes from mitochondria, which can slow down with age, acidity, or oxidative stress. Gerald, 68, a retired mechanic, described feeling like he ran out of gas mid-intimacy. After introducing baking soda 3 times a week with light stretching and deep breathing, he said, "It feels like the engine's turning over again. Alive." Supporting mitochondria with baking soda helps your muscles hold blood longer, strengthening erections naturally. Benefit 6 enhances testosterone receptor sensitivity. Even if your testosterone levels are normal, you might feel flat because your receptors aren't responding. Acidity and inflammation can dull them, like yelling through a wall. The signal doesn't get through. Martin, 64, a retired police officer, added small doses of baking soda to his routine. 6 weeks later, my drive is coming back. Not just in the bedroom, everywhere. It's like something switched back on. Baking soda doesn't raise testosterone directly. It helps your body use what it already has effectively. Benefit 7 detoxifies the liver and kidneys gently. Toxic buildup over decades can slow your organs and reduce sexual performance. Baking soda helps reduce acid load, supporting kidney filtration and liver detox. Carlos, 70, felt sluggish despite a clean lifestyle. A small baking soda routine with hydration and warm lemon water left him feeling lighter, more energetic, and his intimacy returning gradually. Benefit 8 reduces sugar cravings and supports weight loss. Belly fat produces enzymes that convert testosterone to estrogen, undermining libido and performance. Baking soda can help stabilize blood sugar, reducing cravings, and supporting fat loss. Jack, 66, struggled with stubborn belly fat and low drive. Adding baking soda with lemon water in the morning helped curb cravings, improve hormone balance, and restore confidence. Benefit 9 helps calm the nervous system. Performance isn't just physical, your nervous system matters. Stress, trauma, or poor sleep can keep your body in high alert mode, shutting down blood flow during intimacy. Tom, 70, retired military, struggled with performance anxiety. Baking soda reduced systemic acidity and inflammation, helping his parasympathetic nervous system take the lead. Within weeks, he reported feeling calm, responsive, and connected again. Benefit 10 combines powerfully with lemon or apple cider vinegar. Finally, a simple combination: baking soda with lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. This gently fizzes in the body, supporting liver function, bile flow, and vascular tone. It helps your body absorb and use the benefits of baking soda without stress. Barry, 74, tried this morning ritual: warm water, a squeeze of lemon, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. A month later, I wake up feeling alive, my mind clearer, and my body responding again. Start small: ½ teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water on an empty stomach. Frequency: 3-4 mornings per week to begin. Optional: add lemon or a splash of apple cider vinegar for enhanced effect. Supportive habits: light movement, deep breathing, balanced meals, and hydration. Always check with your doctor if you have kidney or heart issues before starting. I want you to know something important. If you've been frustrated, embarrassed, or even ashamed, you are not broken. Your body might just need gentle support, time, and a few small shifts to bring it back into balance. Baking soda won't fix everything overnight, but it can be the nudge your body needs to respond again. Even after 60, you are capable of strength, passion, and connection. You deserve comfort, vitality, and confidence. And it's never too late to begin. If this video gave you hope or insight, give it a like so other men can find it. Leave a comment below, 1 if it resonated, 0 if it didn't. Share this video with a brother, friend, or neighbor. You might be the reason he takes that first step toward feeling alive again. And if you believe in natural, science-backed health tips for men over 60, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be right here guiding.